What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and it's a new month, which means it's time for a new Gondek EDC Hank of the Month. If you're not familiar with the Hank of the Month Club, it is a monthly subscription, $10 a month. They're going to send you an exclusive Hank that's only ever released through this subscription. There's a background today. The top 3 are from this subscription. The bottom 3 are actually Hanks that you can buy on the site. I don't know. I know the titanium one's still available, not sure about the others, but they sell regular Hanks that you can buy at any time. Also $10 for the most part. There's a few exceptions, but the subscription, it's going to be exclusive to the subscription, the only time you can get it, and you can also use the fabric from the Hank for custom pouches if you're a member of the club. So this is November 2022's. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what we got this month. Just going to kind of peel the envelope open. And they send a letter. If you're interested in hearing about that, I'm going to show the Hank first, and then we'll read the letter for the month. But it looks like we got kind of a classic fall-looking pattern here. Not sure what this pattern is called. It's familiar, but really kind of clean fall-looking colors here and simple design. So the letter, and you feel free to pause if you'd rather read it yourself. This is our 34th month and another record month for the club. We continue to be grateful for your support and have a blast finding unique designs specifically for you guys. We have had some pretty crazy designs recently and a few in the queue. So this month we wanted to dial it back with a classic plaid design. We live in Wisconsin and the fall is here. The fall here is just about the most beautiful temperature and environment in my opinion. This is Max writing this month's letter. I love the lower temps and the colorful trees. This Hank is our way of putting that into a design. Having this Hank in my pocket just helps me enjoy the fall even more. Ironically, those leaves I love so much drive me crazy once they fall, as raking is my least favorite around the house chore. We normally don't like to give teasers, but we have an amazing Hank planned for next month. We feel it is easily our best December Hank of the Month club, and probably the top 5 of the club as a whole. And who knows, it might even come with a little present. As always, thank you so much for being a member of our club. Happy hanking. Thanks, Max and Lauren Gondek. So I guess it's just called plaid. I thought it was a little bit more of a specific design than just plaid, but I guess it's just a plaid, classic plaid. But again, really cool fall colors, simple, reminds you of Thanksgiving, football, just fall in general. And so I like this Hank. It's super simple. I think it'll look really good in pictures and a kind of classic design, which you can never have too many of. So let me know down in the comments below what you think of this month's design, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. As always, hope you have a great one. Take care.